Everyone can see my screen. Everyone can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Everyone can see.
Yes, sir.
Very good. It's correct. So now today we will be discuss about the pin configuration. Yesterday I already told to you. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is port 0 from P1.0 to P1.7. This is the port 0. Write down. So first heading P1.0 pin topmost heading is pin configuration and function of each pin. Pin configuration and function of each pin. P1.0 to P1.7. P1.0 to P1.7. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Used as a port A for input and output purpose only. Used as a port 1. Used as a port 1 for input and output purpose only. Used as a input or output purpose as a port 1. Whatever you want to write. Is it clear? Only function is input and output. Clear to you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
P2.0 to P2.7. Sir, what are the pin number P2.0 to P2.7? What are the pin number? You can see from that how much it is. 21 to 28. Am I right? You can see in my screen. 21 to 28. Is it clear? It's clear to all of you? P2.0 to P2.7, is it clear? Pin 21 to 28. दिखाई दे रहा है सबको ना नहीं दे रहा है?
सर एक साथ 3 स्क्रीन दिख रहा है सर, किसको किसको देखेंगे?
ना ना 21 नंबर से 28 नंबर तक वही तो बोल रहा है। P2.0 से लेकर P2.7 कितना पिन नंबर में है? 21 से 28. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I will be explain the function of P2.0 to P2.7. Write down. This is used as a input output port. This is used as a input output port within a bracket port 2. This is used as a input output port within a bracket port 2, as well as higher order address bus, as well as higher order address bus, as well as higher order address bus. Is it clear? Is it clear?
ये
सर
Hmm.
फर्स्ट वाला में क्या बोले थे? फर्स्ट वाला में पोर्ट 1.0 से कहाँ तक बोले थे?
Port?
फर्स्ट वाला में फर्स्ट मतलब ये दूसरा हो गया ना। फर्स्ट वाला में क्या बोले थे?
P1.0 to P1.7. This is used as a only input output port. Within a bracket, you can write down as a port 1. And this is used as a input output port within a bracket port 2, as well as higher order address bus. Higher order address bus within a bracket A8 to A15. Within a bracket A8 to A15. Higher order address bus within a bracket A8 to A15. within a bracket higher order address bus. 8 to 15. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, P 0.0 to P 0.7. Sir, pin number from where to where? P 0.0 से P 0.3 pin number, sir. You can get it from over here. What is the pin number?
32 to 40.
No, 40. 39.
39.
Yes, sir.
32,
39.
39, right? So basically used as a input output port, used as a input output port, as well as multiplex address oblique data lines, as well as multiplex address oblique data lines, as well as multiplex within a bracket TDM, within a bracket TDM, full form time division multiplex. Time division multiplex within a bracket TDM, time division multiplex. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Time division multiplex. Repeat the line once again. Used as a input output port, bracket port 0, as well as tell me.
As well as multiplex और ब्रैकेट में टाइम TDM.
Multiplex address oblique data buses. Address oblique data buses. Address oblique data buses. Address oblique data buses. Time division multiplex within a bracket close. Address oblique data buses. Within a bracket, you just write down the name AD02, AD7. All the port by default pull up. All the port by default internally pull up. But port 0 externally pull up. But port 0 externally pull up by an pull up resistance.
Sir, repeat again.
Port 0 externally pull up by an pull up resistance. Address oblique data buses. All the port by default internally pull up. Port 0 externally pull up by an pull up resistance. Port 0 externally pull up by an pull up resistance. So write down P 0.0. You can see my copy. P 0.1. P 0.2, P 0.3, P 0.4, P 0.7. K. All the resistance is 10K. You should be write down, otherwise it's very difficult to remember. Okay. This is connected with plus 5 volt. With a 10K resistance. Circuit diagram is complete to everyone. Means we are
Okay.
connected a 10K voltage in every pin. A 10K resistance connected in every pin. Sir, what are the requirement of this? What is the pull-up resistance? Sir, before I'm telling you, if you are just not speak, you are connecting with a sellotape in your face or in your tongue, then I cannot explain you. I will be end the class and I close my class. Is it not possible at all? I repeat in the several times. I'm repeat once again in the last time. I cannot teach like that. So first of all, I just give an example. What are the purpose? Means what are the 10K resistance and what are the pull-up resistance? Say in the playground, I broke my leg. हमारा पैर टूट गया है, right? Now अभी हमको घर जाना है, तो हम तो अकेला नहीं जा सकते हैं ना? हम अकेला जा सकते हैं? पैर तो टूट गया.
No, sir.
तो किसी का सहारा लेना पड़ेगा. शायद संतोष मिश्रा is agree to help me that हमको वो हमारा रूम तक पहुंचा देगा. शायद हम हॉस्टल में रहता है, शायद हम मेस में रहता है, हमको रूम तक पहुंचा देगा. तो संतोष is trying to help me, but मान के चलो संतोष का तो पॉसिबल नहीं है हमको उठा के गोदी में लेकर जाएगा, because I am a very overweight person. So is it possible?
नो सर, बहुत भारी आप.
तो नहीं पॉसिबल होगा. तो अभी कैसे पॉसिबल होगा बोलो तो? हम भी जाने का कोशिश करेंगे और संतोष भी लेकर जाना चाहता है, तब जाकर हम घर पहुंच सकते हैं. Am I right?
यस सर.
बट हम नहीं चाहते हैं, संतोष लेकर जाना चाहता है तो भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. हम जाना चाहता है, संतोष लेकर नहीं जाना चाहता है तो भी नहीं पॉसिबल. You are agree, then you say yes. You are not agree, then you say no sir, not agree. Is it clear? Is agree हमारे साथ?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया क्या बोला मैंने? हम क्लोज करना चाहते हैं संतोष के साथ, राइट? तो पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
सो बेसिकली ये जो अभी देख रहे हो, इतना सारा रेजिस्टेंस जो है सारा लगा हुआ है. इधर से एक वोल्टेज आएगा, इधर से एक वोल्टेज आएगा. इट्स नॉट लगा ये 5 वोल्ट आएगा, इधर से एक वोल्टेज आएगा. अभी ये भी एक वोल्टेज देगा. इन दोनों वोल्टेज मिला के एक सर्किट कैन ऑपरेट. ए सर्किट कैन ऑपरेट ओवर हियर. एवरी पॉइंट ए सर्किट कैन ऑपरेट. इफ you are not connecting this this kind of resistance with a voltage, is called pull-up resistance. or pull up circuit, whatever you say, then it cannot be possible to handle the power whatever is coming from P0.0 to P0.7. मतलब हर एक पोर्ट के अंदर ऐसे करके एक पुल अप रेजिस्टेंस रहता ही है, मगर पोर्ट 0 में हमको एक्सटर्नली पुल अप रेजिस्टेंस लगाना पड़ता है, क्योंकि इंटरनली पुल अप रेजिस्टेंस रहेगा तो यू कैनॉट यूज्ड एज ए AD02 AD7 मींस एज ए multiplexing, TDM multiplexing is not possible. That's why we are connecting a time division multiplexing AD02 AD7. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is the function of pull up resistance. Okay, if I able to show you, then that will be better. This is external pull up resistance. Can you see this one? Same picture I am drawn over here. Everyone can see in my slide?
No, sir.
Whatever you see. In slide,
So pin configuration.
again it is a on pin configuration. It's not changing.
No, sir.
I don't know why it's not changing. Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the diagram of pull up resistance, port 0 with a pull up resistance. Okay. Is it clear? Clear to all of you?
Yes.
Next, we are going into the again. Whatever you see in my skin, pin configuration.
Pin configuration.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next, port 3.02, port 3.7. Port 3.0 to port 3.7. What are the functions of port 3.0 to port 3.7? This is the port 3.0 to port 3.7. Pin number 10 to 17. Okay. So just do another heading P3.0 to P3.7. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सर एक्चुअली इसमें क्वेश्चंस क्या आएगा 80, ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने तुमको नहीं देगा, तुम्हारा यूनिवर्सिटी में दे सकते हैं मगर ऐसा नहीं देना चाहिए. This diagram is not coming in your examinations, but questions is coming. What are the functions of P1.0 to P1.7? So you write down whatever I am right over here. What are the functions of P2.0 to P2.7? Something like that. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
P3.0 to P3.7. Okay, done. Pin number 10 to pin number 17. So write down used as a, you write down over here, used as a input output port within a bracket as a port 3, used as a input output port within a bracket as a port 3. Some other functions, those are as follows. 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 Okay. Number 1, RD bar. There should be a bar. It should be a bar. It's not mentioning, but you should be a bar. Sir, you know what is the function of bar? Anyone? What is the function of bar?
Sir, it is used for repeated values.
No. Anything else? What is the function of bar? Something like that. Now I am talking about the read bar. What is the function of bar? Bar means this one, right? Bar, you know? This one is called bar. This one. Remember one thing, bar means active in low signal. Without bar means active in high signal. Means this signal will be working when a low signal coming on that particular pin only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So write down, when this signal heading karo, read bar, heading karo, when this signal goes low, memory read or IO read operations will be performed. When this signal goes low, memory read or IO read operations will be performed. When this signal goes low, memory read or IO read operations will be performed. Okay. When this signal goes low, memory read or IO read operations perform. Is it done? Why? Sir, without comments, how I can take the class?
Yes, sir.
Next, WR bar. When this signal goes low, memory write or IO write operations will be performed. When this signal goes low, memory write or IO write operations will be performed. Next, TI. Sir, how many timer or counter? Sir, how many timer or counter? सर आर्किटेक्चर में तो पढ़ाया था।
2 types, sir.
टाइप सर 2 है। हाउ मेनी, मैंने क्वेश्चंस पूछा, हम कितना टाइप्स नहीं बोल रहे। हाउ मेनी टाइमर और काउंटर इज अवेलेबल, बोलो।
Sir, 2 timer. Timer 1, timer 2.
टाइमर 1, टाइमर 2, नो टाइमर 0, टाइमर 1।
Sorry,
two
sir.
timer 0, timer 1.
Timer 0, timer 1. Sir, what is a timer and what is a counter? When counting the internal clock pulses, then called timer. When counting the external clock pulses, then called counter. I already described. Am I right? मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था, उठक बैठक करेगा, एक जन काउंटिंग करेगा, मतलब खुद का पल्स, अंदर के पल्स काउंट करना और बाहर किसी को देख के काउंट करना इज द डिफरेंस। सो जब इंटरनल क्लॉक पल्स काउंट करेगा तब तो अंदर से ही कर लेगा, मगर जब बाहर का जो क्लॉक पल्स आएगा उसको कैसे करेगा? जब बाहर का क्लॉक पल्स आएगा, यू नो, देन इट विल बी कमिंग थ्रू दिस पिन। So a clock pulse is coming on this T1 or T0. Means bahar ka clock pulse jab count karega, it will be coming either in T0 or T1. Is it clear? Either it's in T0 or T1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is a clock pulse, counting in T0 and T1. So that is the function of T0 and T1. So first write down T1. When counter 1 operations will be performed, then external clock pulses enter through this pin. Next T0. When counter 0 operations will be performed, then external clock pulses enter through this pin. Then external clock pulses enter through this pin. Then external clock pulses enter through this pin. Next, INT 0 and INT 1. First is INT 1. Sir, how many external interrupt?
Three, sir.
External interrupt.
2, sir.
2 external interrupt. You can see this diagram if you can recall. These 2 are the external interrupt. These 3 are for the internal interrupt. Am I right? Okay. So दो external interrupt है, तो external interrupt तो microcontroller के अंदर आएगा, तब ना external interrupt होगा. तो external interrupt coming through this INT 0 or INT 1. INT 1, external interrupt 1 enter into the microcontroller through this pin. Enter into the microcontroller through this pin. Enter into the microcontroller through this pin. External interrupt 1. External interrupt 1 enter into the microcontroller through this pin. Okay. Next, INT 0. External interrupt 0 enter into the microcontroller through this pin. Enter into the microcontroller through this pin. Enter into the microcontroller through this pin. TXD. It's used in heading karo TXD. It's used in serial transmission. The data serially out through this pin. The data serially out through this pin. RxD. The data serially received through this pin. 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 Okay. Is it done?